What's up everybody, it's again Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back to yet another tutorial. Well guys, today in this video I'm gonna give you red and teal preset in the form of mobile Lightroom, PC Lightroom and also the camera, which I personally handcrafted for you guys. So this preset will just basically turn your photo to kind of very teal and trending red color effect for your Instagram feed. So by using this preset you can just stand out your profile game on Instagram. So before any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome. So guys, the very first thing all we're gonna do is just click on this plus icon and just click on the three dots on the right screen. Unselect the JPG, only select the raw files. Raw files are the preset files which are present in your SD card or gallery of your mobile. Now here is the red and teal LUT preset file. Now we're gonna just add it or import to our gallery of the Lightroom. So just wait for the moment to be uploaded. So here is the preset file which is uploaded. So here is the preset file. Now all you're gonna do is just click on the three dots on the right screen, just select the copy settings and just hit OK. Now go back and let's try it or apply it on some other photograph. Just click on the three dots on the right screen, unselect and just select the paste settings and you are done. You can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. This one is really looking very amazing guys. This preset is a dope. So let's try it on this photo. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you are done. You can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. So guys, you can use this preset to color grade it and just move your editing skills to a next level and just make it look more and more creative. Let's try it on this photo. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you are done. You can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. So guys, you can use this preset in almost all the travel photographs as well as your portrait or fashion portraits. You can use this preset and just make it look more and more amazing guys. So you can see the difference. Literally guys, this one is looking very cool. Let's try it on this photo. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you are done. Let's try on this photograph. Just click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you are done. You can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. Finally, let's try it on this photo. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you are done. You can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after guys. So guys, now let's jump to the computer screen and apply the same preset using this PC Lightroom as well as in Photoshop with the help of desktop Lightroom preset as well as the camera preset. So let's jump to the computer screen. So all you have to do is just download this red and teal Lightroom preset as well as the camera preset and as well as the mobile Lightroom preset from the links down given in the description, or you can just download it from our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. Now all you have to do is we're gonna just install this preset to our PC Lightroom as well as in Photoshop. So just right click on it and select extract here. Also do the same process on this camera preset. When you will extract, you will find this two folder, that is the red and teal camera preset from ashvircreations.com and filterpreset.com. Also the red and teal Lightroom preset from ashvircreations and filter preset. Now open that folder and here you can see FP red plus teal. AVC stands for ashvircreation 2020. FP stands for filter preset. .lr template is the extension of Lightroom for your PC. Now we're gonna just install this Lightroom preset to your Lightroom PC. So just copy the preset, just right click on it and select copy, go to the C drive, select the user, go to the ashvircreation, go to the app data folder, select the roaming and just go to the Adobe, and from there you can find the Lightroom folder. Over here go to the develop preset, You can paste inside the filter preset, or you can paste also inside this user preset. I'll just paste it inside this filter preset folder. Now just right click on it and select copy and replace. So here you can see FP Red plus Teal ABC 2020. Now just we do the same process of for the camera preset for installing it to Photoshop. .xmp is the camera preset extension. So just right click on it and select the copy, and from here instead of going to Lightroom we're gonna go to camera. Then just go to the settings and just paste that preset over here. Now all we're gonna do is just restart your Lightroom as well as your Photoshop, and let's apply the preset, and let's see how it actually looks to your photos if you apply this red and teal look. So let's just open the Lightroom and just import some of the photographs. I have already imported some of the images from here, so I'm gonna just apply it. So from here, from the preset tab, just go to the filter preset, and from here we're gonna find that preset, that is FP, what was that, red and teal, yeah, FP red plus teal ABC 2020. Now we're gonna just apply this preset, and you can see the difference. Here's the before and here is the after. A huge difference can be seen in the photo. Yeah, this is really looking very amazing, guys. Let's apply it on this photo. Just click on this and you are done. You can see the difference, a huge difference, and really giving a perfect red and teal look. Let's try it on this photo. Just click on this button. You can see the difference, the perfect red and teal look on the image. This is really looking very dope. Let's try it on this image, the perfect teal and also the red color. Let's try it on this photo. Wow, guys, this one is really looking very amazing, guys. So you should check this out. Let's try it on this photo. Just click on this red and teal. Yes, you are done. Let's try it on this photograph. We'll just click on this button, just red and teal. Literally this one is really giving your photograph an awesome look. So let's just try it on one of the images from here. So let's just take one more last example, that is let's try it on some landscape photographs. Just click on this red and teal and you can see the difference. It would be looking very perfect for your photograph, for your red and teal look. So let's try it on this and you can see the difference, guys. This one is really looking very amazing. So guys, now let's jump to the Photoshop and apply the same preset by using the camera. So just restart your Photoshop and let's see how it actually looks. So let's open some of the images. So let's just try it on this photo. Just go to the filter, select the camera filter from there. Just go to the preset tab and from here you're gonna find the FP red plus teal and you are done. You can see the difference. Here's the before and here's the after. This one is really giving your photo an amazing look, guys. Let's try some more example photographs. So let's take some of the images from here. Let's take this photo, also this. Just drag and drop. So we're gonna just go to the filter, select directly the camera filter, so it will automatically correct the previous adjustment. So you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. Let's try it on this photo. You can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos and preset like this for you guys just for free. And also guys, don't forget to check out our website, that is filterpreset.com and ashvircreations.com. From there you're gonna find the most premium collection of presets soon. So guys, stay tuned on that website, that is Filter Preset. Also guys, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. And also guys, don't forget to just like on all the videos and support us to grow more and more. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.